One inhale changes your body instantly.
Smoke rushes deep into your lungs. Nicotine enters your blood within seconds and reaches your brain almost immediately.
Triggering a relaxing, pleasurable feeling.
Your brain starts craving that feeling again. But while nicotine affects the brain, smoke damages the body. The lungs become irritated, inflamed, weaker.
Smoking also strains your heart and blood vessels,
Increasing the risk of cancer, stroke, and heart disease. But when smoking stops, the body slowly begins fighting back.
But when smoking stops, the body slowly begins fighting back.
The airways become inflamed, filled with mucus. Even the tiny cleaning hairs inside your lungs stop working properly. But something incredible happens when smoking stops.
Within weeks, the inflammation begins to calm.
Breathing slowly becomes easier.
Then the cilia begin growing back.
Helping your lungs clean themselves again.
And it's not just your lungs. Your whole body starts recovering. Heartbeat stabilizing, blood flow improving. The healing process begins almost immediately. Because the moment you quit smoking, your body starts fighting to heal itself.